Students accidentally create chemical harmful to human health during art experiment and spark major alert. One person has been taken to hospital with breathing difficulties as a result. A group of students sparked a major alert after accidentally creating a chemical harmful to human health during an art project. The incident unfolded shortly before noon today on Gilbert Road in Cambridge, Cambridge News reports. One Gilbert Road resident, who did not wish to be named, said, "I was at home when all of a sudden I saw an unmarked police car, 2 fire engines and 2 ambulances turn up at a house up the road. My first thought was that it must be something really bad. It was a shock to see all the emergency vehicles, to say the least, as I hadn't heard or seen anything amiss. A bit later on, I saw some people being led out of the house and one person was taken away in an ambulance. I hope no one was seriously hurt. One person has been taken to Addenbrooke's Hospital with breathing difficulties as a result." Cambridgeshire Police, the East of England Ambulance Service and Cambridgeshire Fire and Rescue Service were all called to the scene. A spokesman for Cambridgeshire Police told the news that students accidentally created the chemical while undertaking an art experiment. Details on the specific chemical created have not yet been released to the press. It was stressed that nobody was seriously injured, and there was nothing to cause suspicion. The police spokesman added, "We were called to Gilbert Road at 11:45 am this morning along with both the ambulance and fire services, to an incident that appears to have been quite innocent. Some students undertaking an art project have mistakenly created a chemical that could cause harm to human health. There is nothing suspicious about this incident, and nobody has been injured. With a chemical that could cause harm to human health, it was important that the fire service and the ambulance service also attended the incident. The chemical was caused as a byproduct of what appears to have been an art experiment. We must stress that this appears to have been innocent. It is believed the chemical has now been taken away. Police and emergency services are no longer on scene." A spokeswoman for the East of England Ambulance Service said, "It seems like something was being burnt at a private address on Gilbert Road, which could potentially give off harmful fumes as a reaction. The incident took place at a private address, with 5 people inside the house. One person has been taken to hospital with breathing difficulties, although they were taken to hospital as more of a precautionary measure." A spokesman from Cambridgeshire Fire and Rescue Service said, "At 11:39 am on Saturday, crews were called to reports of a hazardous material spill on Gilbert Road in Cambridge. Crews from Cambridge, St Neots, and Huntingdon attended the scene. The building was safely evacuated when the crews arrived. After assessing the scene and speaking with the owners, firefighters wearing breathing apparatus and gas-tight suits entered the property. They checked the area using a gas monitor and used a positive pressure ventilation fan to ensure the property was safe. The crews returned to their stations by 2 p.m.